So most of the notes on the saxophone follow that same pattern. If you lift a finger, you go up, which means you go forwards through the musical alphabet. If you put down a finger, the sound goes down, and we go backwards through the musical alphabet. So let's keep going backwards. We just did G, F, E, D. Let's review that one more time. Play that with me. And now we have to think, what letter is going to come next if we keep going down? That means we're going backwards. So we just ended on D. What letter comes right before D? C. Now C is the only one that kind of breaks the pattern. And instead of putting down another finger, C is only your second finger in your left hand. So look at it. Look at the instrument. Make sure you're only putting down your second finger in your left hand. And at this point, our thumb in the back is going to move from the silver key to the black piece of plastic. That's a thumb rest. Let's try that note C, just your second finger. Listen to it. Try it with me. After C, we have to keep going backwards in the alphabet. What letter comes before C? Just think A, B, C, C, B, A. It's B. So to get from C to B, all we're going to do is switch your second finger with your first finger. So we're not adding it, we're just switching it. Instead of putting down only your second finger, you're going to put down only your first finger. Listen to it. Play it with me. Before we go any further, let's go back to D, and we're going to go backwards. We're going to go D, back to C, back to B. So before we do that, let's finger through it slowly. D has the thumb silver key in the back, plus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Everything is down. That's D. To go from D to C, lift everything off except your second finger in your left hand. Try that a couple times. D, then C. All down for D, then just the second finger for C. Don't forget, as we go D to C, your thumb moves from the silver key to the black one. Let's play that. D, C. Try that a few times until it's comfortable. And let's just review really quick C to B. So start with just your second finger and then switch to just your first finger. Ready? Now we're going to add it together. D to C, switch for B. Finger that through with me and say the letters. Ready? D, C, switch to B. Try playing it. Try it one more time. Now we're going back to the pattern of adding fingers and going backwards through the alphabet. So we just ended on B. If we add the second finger in your left hand down, we're going to go down and backwards through the alphabet. So think about it. What letter comes before B? It's A. So let's try that. B, and then add your second finger for A. Listen. Try Try to play that with me. one more time. And then, here's the trick question. What letter comes before A? Because I want to add our third finger in your left hand and keep going lower. What letter comes before A in the musical alphabet? We go back to G. So when you have all three fingers down in your left hand, we're playing a G. Play that with me. Now, let's try going A, G. So A is just fingers 1 and 2. G adds the third finger. So we're going to be lifting up and putting down your third finger in your left hand. Ready? Let's start on that G, and now we're going to go up the instrument. We're going to go forwards through the musical alphabet. So let's play G, lift 1 for A, lift 1 for B, and we'll stop there for now. G, A, B. Ready? Try that again. Now we're going B forwards to C. Remember, B switches to C. Switch your first finger with your second finger. Let's play B, C one time. Now let's play B, switch to C, all down for D. Don't forget, the thumb goes to the silver key for that D. So this is B, switch for C, all down for D. Try that again. Remember, if you're having difficulties, pause the video and try it really slowly, or rewind the video a few seconds and go back over it. You can do that as many times as you need to. Let's put all of that together. We're going to start at G, which is 1, 2, 3, and go G, lift for A, lift for B, switch to C, all down for D. Try it with me. Before we play, let's say the letters and finger along. So G is 1, 2, 3 down. Ready? G, lift A, lift for B, switch for C, all down for D. Let's try playing it. That's going to take you a couple weeks to get comfortable with, so you just need to keep trying it a lot every day and it'll be fine. Let's do it one more time. And now let's finish it off. So D, lift 1 for E, lift 1 for F, and then lift and we're back at the higher G. So that's everything down in your right hand. For D, lift your bottommost finger for E, lift the next one for F, and then lift your right hand off for G. Here we go, D up to G. And when you can do that comfortably, we're going to put it all together. So this is your lower G, lift fingers for G, A, B, switch to C, all down for D, and then we're back to our pattern. Lift 1 for E, 1 for F, and 1 for G. Here we go. I want you to finger along and say the letters, and I'm going to play it. Play it with me. Don't worry about making a mistake, just give it a shot. I know it's going to take you a few days to get comfortable doing that, but the more you do it, the easier it's going to get. You don't even need to make a sound on your instrument. You can sit and watch TV and just do this either while the show is on or play it during the commercial breaks. And finally, as always, go find someone at home and show them all of those notes because I know that they're going to love to hear it.